So the material required is any cotton fabric. I'm taking this dark pink color. You can choose any other color also. Then pearl laurels. Then charms. Then kundan. So I'm taking this round kundan. You can choose any other also. Jump ring. These are very small jhumka caps. You can take bigger one also to cover the pearl beads. 5 mm pearl beads. Base. 0 size pearl beads. 30 gauge wire. Needle and thread. Necklace dori. Eye pin. Fevibond glue. Cutter scissor pliers. First of all, we'll cut this base in a half circle like this, and now we'll take the fabric. So we'll take this fabric that I have shown in the intro, and now first I'll measure how much fabric is required to cover this, and we'll cut that much fabric. Now we'll stick this one, so I'll keep this blank part to the first side, and over here we'll apply a Fevibond glue. So we'll apply a glue here, and now carefully we are going to fold this part. Make sure that there are no overlapping remainings of the fabric, because then finishing won't look good in that case. So make sure to have that. So in this way we have added the fabric, and now we are going to add the charms to that. So we'll add, in this time I'm going to stick the charms to this. I'm not going to wave them with the help of needle and thread. So again, for that I'll apply a fabric. So I already have this extra fabric that I got from this glue. So first I'll apply that one. Now I'm taking this charm and we'll stick that charm to this. So while sticking this, make sure that you will stick that in this way, like this is the back side. So back side will keep on the front, and so in that way in this side we will have our front side on the front only. So in this way we have to add the charms to all of the half circle. So I'll quickly add them. So guys, I have attached these charms, and you can see this is how they will look from the front. So now we'll wait for a while to get it dry, like for 5 minutes, and then we'll add the back finishing fabric to that. So let's wait for a while. So guys, these charms are dried up, you can see. Now we are going to add the laurels to this. So I'm taking these laurels and we are going to add this with the help of the needle and thread. So I'll add a needle over here in the last part. I'm just adding it with this. So I have attached this thread over here. Now we are going to add these pearl laurels. I'll add the laurels enough to cover these half circles. So I'll quickly add them in the needle, and I'll let you know how many I have added. So guys, you can see I have added this, and these are 110 L'Oreals that I have added. Now to this end, again I'm gonna make a knot. And I will tie it very firmly now over here. Now I'll just go backward and then we can see it is moving. So for that I'll go backward, and after a certain point I'm gonna again make knots. This helps me to have a good finishing. You can also keep on adding a small portions and make knots, but it didn't work for me. I just always add first all the beads that are required to cover the area, and then I make the knots. So you can see this is got attached now, and this is how it looks. So I'll cut this thread. This will go in here. Now to over here in the mid we are going to add the kundan. So I'm taking the glue. Now I'll take the fabric glue and we'll add this, and then we'll add this kundan. So you can see now at the same time we are going to add the back finishing fabric so that it will be easy and quick. So for that I'm taking this fabric similar to that, a pink fabric, which is I'm not gonna use for anything further to make the earring, and I'll first measure and we'll cut this. Now I'm taking this Fevibond glue and we'll attach this fabric. So I'll first apply the ample, and also I'll apply to this charm so that there will be enough stickiness to that, and then we'll apply this fabric to this. Okay. So now we will wait for a while to get this dry, and till the time we'll make the part of our necklace. For that I'm taking these pearls, then this eye pin, this jhumka cap. So first of all we'll take this one, and then I'll add one pearl in this. Then I'm gonna add this jhumka cap, and I'll add this like upside down, so this part will be at upside like this. Then I'll add this again, one pearl, then one jhumka cap, and then one pearl. Okay. So now we don't want this much big eye pin, so I'm going to cut a little part of this, and then with the help of the plier I'm going to just make a fold. So first I'll make a fold till the end, and then I will just so you can see I have made this. So we need two, so I have already made one. Now we are going to attach this to this part, and then we are going to attach this to our that pendant. This already has a hole, so we are gonna attach it to this. For that first I'll open this one part, and then we'll add these two So you will get this one in the market very easily, and I'll just close the loop. So in the same way, I'm gonna attach it to that side. So I'll quickly do it. So you can see I've attached, and this one, these are ready. Now I'm taking this pendant and I'll quickly cut this back finishing stuff. So I have done this, and this is how it looks. Now we are going to attach this pendant to these pearl lines with the help of the jump ring. So for that, over this side and this side, so I'll quickly do that. So I have made the holes. Now we are going to add this jump ring in this hole. So we'll just take it and add it here in this, and with the help of the plier I'm gonna take it. So guys, I have attached this to this pendant, and you can see this is how a pretty necklace is. Now we are going to attach the hook to this. So on one side we are going to add this bunch of jump rings. These are the jump rings, and now I kept this one open and will add this to these holes. And then we'll close the loop. So this side I've added this, and to this side we are going to add the necklace hook. So I'm taking this hook. This is a lobster hook that is called as, and then I will add it here, and then we'll shut this. And let's take the help of the plier. Okay, so you can see. So with this, this pretty necklace is ready. So let me just attach it over here. So you have to open this, and you have to adjust, like add it anywhere, like you can add over here also and here also. So with this pretty necklace set is ready, and these are the earrings. So I'm gonna make a separate video as to how to make these earrings, so stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.
Our necklace is ready. Isn't it very beautiful and very pretty necklace set? So do make this one and let me know how do you like my video through likes and comments. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. See you soon. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.